Good Monday morning, Lubbock. A very nice start to the day, but a lot of changes are expected over the next 24 hours. So let's get right to it. Let's take a live look outside from our Overton Hotel sky cam. Beautiful clear blue skies over the Hub City at the moment, but this view is likely going to change as we continue through this afternoon, expecting a lot more dust to be blowing around. But current temperature of 48 degrees at the airport feels like the lower 40s, with winds already a little breezy from the southeast at 14 miles per hour. Expecting those winds, though, to shift to the southwest, and that's when we'll really see them start to crank up a little bit later on. But a quick talk about, or just talking really quickly about those afternoon temperatures. Most of us will be warming up above average for this time. If you're up towards the northwest, a little bit cooler, temperatures topping out in the 50s, because these will be the areas that will see the cooler air filter in first through this afternoon. Mid 60s expected, though, for most of us, and even as you head towards the southeast and Snyder as well as Gale, topping out in those mid 70s. A lot of warnings as well as advisories going on, so let's break it down for you by each one. A high wind warning for most of the South Plains will be going into effect at noon, lasting through 6 p.m. this afternoon. These will be the areas that will be looking at the winds sustained from the southwest, anywhere from 30 to 45 miles per hour. Gusts as high as 60 miles per hour will be possible. That will likely be leading to widespread blowing dust and therefore reduced visibility across the South Plains. We also have a red flag warning for these areas highlighted in pink. This also goes into effect at noon and will be lasting through 8 p.m. this afternoon, and these will be the areas not only dealing with the strong winds but also very low humidity. So in these areas, any fires that do spark will be able to spread rapidly. So that's why we are urging people to avoid any outdoor burning for this afternoon. We also have a blowing dust advisory in effect for Lee, Gaines, and Dawson County. Already went into effect this morning and will be lasting through 9 p.m. this evening, and same with this wind advisory for Scurry and Borden County. So pretty much all of us will be seeing those strong winds, and here's the timeline of it. By noon, we'll see the winds start to pick up along the state line, increasing for central portions of the South Plains by around 4 o'clock this afternoon, peaking around 32 miles per hour here in the Hub City, and that's sustained. So that's not including the gusts that we will likely see. And as this system pushes off towards the east later this evening, the eastern counties then will see those stronger winds, and we'll start to see the winds back off a little bit. Also talking about a slight increase in moisture for some areas on the South Plains with this system. As they put this into motion, notice some spotty light rain showers for the northern counties of the South Plains. This model still wants to punch out some light rain showers in central portions of the area, and I'm not buying it because we do have that dry air in place. I think we could be seeing maybe some of those Virga showers, which means the rain will evaporate before it reaches the ground. But I'm just keeping the rain chances isolated for the northern and northwestern counties of the South Plains. The moisture as well as the winds kick out later on this evening. Still looking at breezy winds tomorrow as well as cooler air. Behind this system, we will be seeing the cooler air filtering in, so staying in the 40s for tomorrow afternoon, 48 degrees for an afternoon high with breezy winds and mostly sunny skies. Another reinforcing cold front tomorrow night will just bring us even colder temps for Wednesday. That's when we'll drop into the teens and lower 20s in the mornings. In the morning, staying in the lower 40s for Wednesday afternoon, and then we start our warm-up on Thursday. I am watching, though, disturbance at the end of the work week could be bringing us some precip chances Friday night. I'll keep an eye on it throughout this week, but as of right now, I'm more concerned about this afternoon with the dust. It's not going to be fun.